Today we have a short video on how to make polvoron, and we'll be needing 4 ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of powdered milk, 1/4 cup of white sugar, and 1/3 cup of unsalted butter. First thing you do is you heat your pan, and then start off with the all-purpose flour. So we need to toast the flour. Make sure to move it around so that it doesn't burn. So you start off with really white flour, and later I'll show you how brown it should be before you do the next step. Okay. After about 5 minutes of toasting, you'll see that the color has changed to a light brown color. If the color is already like that, see it's a lot darker at the bottom of the pan. You can switch off the heat. And at this point, you can add your 1 cup of powdered milk. Then use the residual heat from the pan to also toast the powdered milk a bit. Not too much, and make sure to keep stirring. Okay, this should be good. Next step is to transfer the toasted flour and powdered milk into a mixing bowl. Then add in your 1/4 cup of white sugar. Mix it. Okay. Then add in your 1/3 cup of melted unsalted butter. Okay, then mix everything. Okay, once this is well mixed, you'll end up with a consistency like this. So it's still quite loose, but the color is already even, so you know that you've already mixed in your butter, your sugar, the flour, and the milk well. Okay, so this one you can use to top ice cream, or you can put it to on top of your fruits. And if you have a mold, you can also start shaping them into what we're quite familiar with, which is this shape, the oval shape. So just get a handful. Press it down the side like that. Okay. And remove the excess. And then you can push it down so you can see the shape like that. Let's make a few more. So there you go. You have homemade polvoron. And we're done for the day.